Hi, Mike Chaffee here, founder of Talent Traction, and it is Friday, October the 4th, and it's just after 11 a.m. on the East Coast here, and we just finished analyzing the Bureau of Labor Statistics data release that releases 8:30 a.m. this morning, and I'm going to share with you some of our findings so that you know from a recruitment standpoint what the update is and how this might impact your business. So, starting first, US job growth surged in September, which is easing recession fears. So, you'll see the stock market's up today. The US economy added a stronger than expected 254,000 jobs in September, which is a jump from August revised figure of 159K and well above the forecast of 150K. According to the BLS, the job creation highlights the resilience in the labor market despite broader economic concerns. The unemployment rate also edged down to 4.1%, reflecting a slight increase from last year's 3.8%, and further providing evidence of labor market strength. So we saw job gains and stability really across all sectors and segments. The hospitality industry led the charge, adding around 69K jobs, while healthcare contributed 45K. Government and construction also posted gains of 31,000 and 25,000 jobs, respectively. Meanwhile, unemployment in other major industries, including mining, oil, gas, extraction, manufacturing, wholesale, retail, trade, transportation, warehousing, info, financial, professional and business services, and other services showed little change in September. Wage growth also strengthened, so the average hourly earnings rose 0.4% for the month, marking a steady 4.0% annual increase. Both figures exceeded expectations, reflecting rising wages amid steadily demand for workers. The average work week for the private sector employees edged down slightly to 34.2 hours. And then the labor force. So, what is the labor force? These are the folks that are actually able to work. It's typically the employed plus the unemployed. It held steady at 62.7%, and the discouraged and part-time workers declined to 7.7%. The number of part-time workers for economic reasons remains stable at 4.6 million, slightly up from 4.1 million a year earlier. These workers were either experienced reduced work hours or unable to find full-time employment. These job gains were upward revisions from July and August. So honestly, it looks like this was a surprise to our market. And just yesterday in the evening, they actually stopped the labor strike for the East Coast and Gulf Texas area. Sorry, I'm trying to go full screen here so you could see me. And want to close out this video while saying, as we start out Q4, looks like we're headed into a much stronger situation that we thought from an economic, geopolitical standpoint. We definitely do have some major headwinds which could easily impact our economy. But from a labor standpoint, I think it's still a very local story. So what's going on in your specific industry, your specific area will really dictate whether it's super challenging to get new employees for your company or it's easing and it's actually not that difficult to get the right employees for your company. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Chaffee. I'm the founder of Talent Traction, and we'll see you on the next video update. Thank you again for coming and seeing this October employment trends update. Have a great rest of your day.